Hello, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making deviled eggs. So to start with, you're going to need at least a medium-sized pot. You're going to add at least halfway up with water. To this, you can add 6 to 8 eggs. With this recipe, I made 8. You could do as little as 6, whichever. The ingredients will still cover it. When I put my water in, I put it kind of lukewarmish to warm, just so it cooks a little faster, gets the water boiling. Place your eggs into it gently. We don't want to drop and break. And once you have all your eggs in, hit your heat up too high so that way we can get it boiling. Now, as you can see, I already have mine boiling here, and you're going to want them to boil for at least 12 minutes or more to make sure they're cooked completely through and that your yolk is cooked. You don't want to do this for just a few minutes and pull it off and find out you have a disgusting inside. Once you're done with it, dump the hot water out and add cold, and that will actually help chill the eggs down where you can handle them better, but it also make the shell release a lot better. Then actually take the shells off, split them in half on the eggs, and then pull out the yolks from inside once they're already cut in half. You're going to want to do this for all of them. If you did 8 eggs, that means you're getting 16 deviled eggs. Once you take the yolks and put them into a bowl, you're going to mash them up because they are a little hard. So you're going to push on them until you break them into a crumbly substance. This way it's easier to mix them through. You don't want any large hunks of this when you're mixing though. So once you get it broken up to a point where it looks really crumbly and you think all of the big pieces are gone from what you're doing, you're going to get ready to add your ingredients. So to this, you're going to add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and then 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Once they're all in, mix it up. This is going to bind together pretty quickly, and as you stir it, just make sure you get all of the dry parts incorporated into the wetness of the mayonnaise. Doesn't take very long to get this done though. Now once it's all mixed up, this is what's going to go back into the eggs to actually make your deviled egg. However, you can use a spoon to put this in, you can use a scooper to do it. Some people use a melon baller. I didn't have a melon baller, so I'm going to use a spoon to do it myself. And all you need to do is make sure that it fills the open hole where the yolk used to be. So if you get it on one spoon, you use another to push it off, you will fill these up quite nicely. Funny thing about the platter that I'm using to put mine on, it's meant for deviled eggs, but I made 8 eggs, but there was only enough slots for 15 deviled eggs, which is really kind of weird. It's like there was one left over. I'm like, okay. I guess when they made the bowl, they just did whatever they were doing. Now, once this is done, you can sprinkle these with paprika like I'm doing. Make sure when you reach in your cabinet that you get the right thing, because I almost got cayenne pepper, because behind, if you look from the back of the containers, they both look alike almost in color and everything. But sprinkle it with paprika, and when you're done, you will get something that looks like this, and they are amazing. Now mind you, you could use like pickles or whatever you want in this. This is my version. You can change it however you want. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.